days since the first vote was cast for Lok Sabha elections, the world's largest electoral exercise has finally come to a close. The fate of 543 seats has been sealed in the EVMs, but as the curtains were drawn on the voting, the predictions started in full flow. And while all the exit polls have predicted a comfortable victory for the NDA, with most in fact giving it more than even 300 seats, the India Alliance dismissed them as sponsored by the BJP. After a meeting to take stock of their preparations leading up to the counting at the Congress President's house, all allies asserted that they will get more than 295 seats. In fact, addressing the media after 2.5-hour-long discussions, the India bloc leaders said that they had arrived at the figure after feedback from the people, and it was a result of a people's survey.
सच्चाई इस देश के लोगों को बताना चाहते हैं। इंडिया गठबंधन कम से कम 295 सीटें प्लस 295 से ज्यादा आएंगे
कि इंडिया गठबंधन को 295 प्लस सीट्स मिल रही हैं, बीजेपी को 220 के करीब सीट्स मिल रही हैं और एनडीए जो बीजेपी का गठबंधन है उन्हें 235 के करीब सीट्स मिल रही हैं। तो इंडिया गठबंधन अपने दम पे स्थिर और मजबूत सरकार बनाने की दिशा में बढ़ रहा है।
यानी प्रधानमंत्री का चेहरा
वो 4 तारीख को डिसाइड होगा।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सीटें पलट जाएंगी और इंडिया गठबंधन पीडीए की लड़नी सबसे ज्यादा सीटें जीतेगी।
भूचाल आने वाला है।
भूचाल नहीं आएगा, भूचाल तो पहले ही था। बेरोजगारी का भूचाल था, महंगाई का भूचाल था, आपकी जीएसटी की मार का भूचाल था, सीबीआई का भूचाल था, ईडी का भूचाल था, इनकम टैक्स का भूचाल था। ये सब भूचाल खत्म हो जाएंगे।
सफा चट हो गई भाजपा, सफा चट, वो कहीं नहीं जीतने जा रहे और विदाई तय है मोदी जी के इस बार। 25 सीट से कम बिहार में हमारा गठबंधन नहीं ला।
जो एग्जिट पोल आ रहे हैं उसका क्या करेंगे?
एग्जिट पोल वो तो सब जानते हैं, वो मोदी जी का एग्जिट पोल है। जनता का एग्जिट पोल में बिहार में कम से कम हम 25 सीट आएंगे और पूरे देश में 295।
Well, Times Now has accessed a detailed breakdown of how the opposition bloc reached the figure of 295 plus. But the BJP has dismissed the possibility of them coming to power, calling it nothing but daydreaming by the opposition.
400 पार बीजेपी एनडीए के साथ जाएगी, अकेले 370 पार करेगी। ये जनता की आवाज, ये नारा नहीं है, ये जनता के भाव है, क्योंकि नरेंद्र मोदी जी जनता का विश्वास है। निश्चित तौर पर 29 की 29 जीतेंगे और साधारण अंतर से नहीं जीतेंगे।
छिंदवाड़ा भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे।
छिंदवाड़ा जीत रहे हैं हम भारी अंतर से। एक भी सीट कांग्रेस नहीं जीतेगी यहाँ। छिंदवाड़ा सहित सारी सीटें भाजपा जीत रही है। वो स्वयं जानते हैं कि ये मुंगेरी लाल के सपने हैं। उनको खुद पता है कि खोखले हैं, लेकिन दिल को बहलाने को गालिब ख्याल अच्छा है। दक्षिण में आश्चर्यजनक सफलता मिल रही है बीजेपी को।
And well, miffed over the exit polls prediction, the Congress top brass has decided to hold a key strategy meeting. The meeting has been called to frame strategy on the poll outcome. Rahul Gandhi will join the virtual meeting with all candidates from his party, along with the party chief Mallikarjun Kharge today. My colleague Akanksha is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Akanksha, first it was the Congress party that decided not to be a part of the exit polls, not to participate in any of the TV debates. After the results came out as well, the Congress party called it a BJP-sponsored exit poll, and now we understand that there's a meeting that has been called. What's expected, the top brass of the party meeting?
Well, absolutely. A day after the voting for Lok Sabha concluded, and exit polls in fact showed that there will be a clean sweep for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Today there will be two meetings by the Congress. Firstly, at 11 o'clock there will be meeting of Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge with the candidates who fought on behalf of the Congress party. After that meeting at 1 o'clock there will be another meeting with the top Congress leaders. That also includes Karnataka Chief Minister, former Rajasthan Chief Minister and other prominent leaders of the Congress party. Now this meeting that will be at 1 o'clock will also be live streamed. So we will be able to see actually what Congress leaders have to say and what is the assessment, what is the preparation for day after tomorrow when the votes will be counted. But definitely one point will be put across because time and again Congress party has been saying that there's a EVM rigging. Yesterday Ajay Maken also went on to say that the Congress candidates who in fact the people who sit at the during the counting of the votes are not being allowed. Then this is worse than the EVM rigging. So all of these points will be told to the candidates as well as the Congress leaders in these two meetings that will take place at 11 o'clock in the morning and 1 o'clock. But definitely as far as the seats are concerned, yesterday Congress party as well as other parties of the India bloc said that they will win 295 plus seats. On the contrary, all the exit polls are showing that they will not even reach that mark. So it remains to be seen what Congress has to say on this, what will be their strategy, what will be the preparation 2 days ahead of the votings of the counting of the votes.
Okay, all right. So the Congress party holding a meeting there to strategize on what next. But let's also